Welcome to my channel. I'm your English coach, Amanda. If you are a Hi Amanda loyal follower, you already know that. And you know that every Thursday I have new videos with an English lesson for you. So go to YouTube to watch the full video and remember to subscribe if you are new and you want to become fluent in this amazing language. I also invite you guys to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have so many English tips, inspiration, motivation to keep you on your journey towards English fluency. So, one of the important things to do if you want to become fluent in English is to learn more about phrasal verbs. That's why I have We Love Phrasal Verbs. Do you know what a phrasal verb is? A verb, a preposition that together have a meaning. We have so many in English. Like, for example, go back, to return, to go back. And many others that you can definitely learn on my channel on YouTube. Today, I am inspired by Christmas. Well, Christmas was yesterday, and I hope you guys had a great time with your family, with your friends, your loved ones. And today I have a curiosity for you. The day after Christmas is one of the biggest shopping days in the whole year, right? In the United States. Because people go back to return or exchange their gifts. And guess what? On the 26th, the malls are open, the stores are open. So I was inspired thinking, what am I going to teach them today for our phrasal verb lesson? Well, I remembered the phrasal verb sell out. Sell out. So let's think first about the verb to sell something, right? I am selling my car. Do you want to buy it? So I sell, you buy. But we also have for sale. That's different, right? My car is for sale. S-A-L-E. Sell, S-E-L-L. So sell is the verb, and then I have for sale when someone is selling something, that object, that thing is for sale. And what about the past of sell? Do you know? It's irregular. I sell, I sold. I sold. So this phrasal verb, sell out, is usually used in the past. It's very used, sold out. Even like a passive voice. This item, this cute little plant, I went to buy, this is from IKEA. I went to IKEA and this item was sold out. That means that all the items have been sold. There aren't any left for me to buy. So sold out, it's over. There's no more. Everybody already bought all the items. It's sold out. I hope one day I sell out tickets or admissions to my workshops around the world on how to teach English. The other day I went to the supermarket to buy some peanut butter, but the kind of peanut butter I like was sold out. I didn't see it there. So usually when we say sold out, it's because the item is no longer available. But the good news is today is the biggest shopping return day of the year, the day after Christmas, guys. People are returning gifts, exchanging them. So if you were looking for something that was sold out, if you go to the mall today, maybe you will find this item because someone else returned it. And that's why today is such a busy day at the mall. I am happy I'm going to just stay home. I love all the presents that I got. I hope you do too. And I wish you guys luck next time you go looking for a product that is sold out. There are things that you can do. You can try to go to another store. We can always find a way, right? I'll see you guys very soon, and I invite you to share with me Practice English. Leave it on the comments. When was the last time that you wanted to buy something that was sold out? What was it? I want to know. I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah, mwah. Have a great rest of your day.